Hello everyone, and welcome to this tutorial video on how to use the Stagelink app in Eventbrite. Eventbrite users can use Stagelink to create a digital marketing campaign in under 10 minutes on Facebook, Instagram, and Google Search to advertise their events and boost their ticket sales. First of all, to get to the app, you have to go to the Eventbrite app marketplace, which you can access under eventbrite.com/apps. Here you can either find the app manually by navigating to Marketing and Promotion, or you just use the search feature and type in Stagelink or Search and Social Advertising. Here you can find a detailed description about what the app looks like and how it works. To install the app, you have to click the Get the App button. If you are not logged into your Eventbrite account, a notification will pop up that asks you to do so. When you've installed the Stagelink app, it will immediately open to advertise the most recent event you created with Eventbrite. If you want to deploy the app for another event, you have to navigate to Manage Events. Select the respective event and then Search and Social Advertising from the app's subcategory on the left side within the event dashboard. In order to get started with setting up your campaign, you'll have to choose between one of the two setup options, Express and Custom. The Express setup is faster and requires less customization from your side. The creation of your ads will be completely automated and you will not have to connect your Facebook page to advertise your event. The app will access the description text and header image from your event page and create and distribute multiple combinations of the assets over the different channels. Also, the search keywords and target audiences of your campaign will be selected and set up automatically. With the custom setup, you can design your ads and define search keywords and the interests of your audiences yourself. On top of that, you can connect your Facebook page to deliver your ads. Let's select this option and have a closer look at how it works. First of all, you enter a name and then set the start and end date for your campaign. Before you move on and create your ads, you set the marketing budget. We recommend a budget of 10% of your event's total sales volume. The app calculates an according amount from the data of your Eventbrite event and pre-fills the field with that value. Of course, you can adjust it at your own discretion. When you are done with the setup of your campaign details, you can click Next. You will then be asked to enter your personal or company data for invoicing. This includes your name, your address, and in case you are in the EU, your VAT ID. On the following screen, you will see how far you have progressed with the setup of your campaign. At this point, you will have defined the basic parameters, timeline, and budget, which leaves 3 further steps to be completed. These are Design Ads, Connect to Facebook, and Pay Invoice. Clicking the Design Ads button will lead you to the next page, where you can manually design your ads. Let's start with the upload of 2 pictures for our exemplary campaign. We suggest using square images with a minimum resolution of 600 by 600 pixels. This is the minimum dimension and most commonly used format for in-feed pictures on Instagram. Therefore, it can be distributed optimally and without unwanted modifications over all channels, and it is most likely to have the intended advertising effects. Click Add Image and upload the according pictures. If you wish, you can thereafter upload a video as well with a maximum length of 15 seconds so that it can be used in feed and story placements. The next step will be to define the ad's headline and ad text on Facebook and Instagram. After doing so, you can see a preview of your ads on the right side and switch between the different asset combinations to see how the ads will eventually look on the respective platform. Eventbrite will provide the Stagelink software with all the additional information about your event that will automatically be incorporated into your campaign. This includes a link to your event on Eventbrite that is being displayed within the ad text, as well as your event's location by which the geo-targeting of your campaign will be defined. The ad will be distributed in a 50-mile radius around the venue by default. Next up, the headlines and ad text for the ads on Google are to be set in the same way, which generate different versions of the ads that can again be previewed on the right. When you have designed your ads, you can now specify up to 10 keywords to be used for Google search terms. It is useful to choose specific terms here that you would assume people to search for in conjunction with your event. Finally, you can choose up to 5 interest audiences to target on Facebook and Instagram. If the subject you are advertising has a certain amount of following and engagement on Facebook, it will also appear as an option to be selected in this column. Once you have designed the ads, you can go on and connect your Facebook page for ad delivery. The advertiser request will automatically be sent to your account via Facebook, where you can confirm it. The last thing to do before your campaign can go live is completing the payment. To do so, click Review Invoice. On this page, you can download a PDF version of your invoice, and to proceed to the payment, you simply click the button. We currently accept credit card and PayPal payments. When you have successfully completed the payment, all the checkboxes in the summary page should now turn green, indicating that you have completed all the necessary steps for your campaign to be launched within 48 hours. Once your campaign is live, you'll be notified that its results are now accessible via your campaign dashboard. An example of that can be found in the Eventbrite app description. You'll be able to see the number of impressions, clicks, and purchases that can be attributed to your campaign and how all these metrics have developed over time. There will also be a breakdown by channel, showing you to which degree the different platforms have contributed to your campaign. Additionally, you can find a map that shows the geographical distribution of the impressions. Your campaign is permanently going to be optimized for an optimal return on invest, and the report is updated every 30 minutes. If you have any more questions about the app's functionalities or how to get started, feel free to get in touch and write us an email to start@stagelink.com. We are happy to help you and would love to support you promoting your upcoming event.